Here's my reflection on technology in the classroom. I think it definitely needs to be a part of classes. I think teachers should take advantage of the latest technology that their schools have for teaching, and students should know how to use technology to help them find answers and solutions. I agree with the Common Core philosophy. Digital learning plays an important part in ensuring students graduate college and are prepared for careers. I think most everyone would agree with that. I think the debate isn't whether or not technology should be included, but how and to what extent. I think that's a debate that people will be having for a long time because there's so much technology out there and it's always changing. I do agree with Larry Cuban that technology in the classroom is oversold and underused, and that the big reason for this is that teachers aren't using all the technology their school offers, and in fact are using it more at home than at school. I think a reason for this is that they might not be very comfortable with the technology and don't really know how to use it to best improve their lessons. Schools should offer training and support to teachers to help them get over this hurdle. And then they'll probably find at least one way where using it improves their lesson. That said, I don't think technology should take over and become the predominant use for both teachers and students. It should be just one of the many tools teachers use to teach. Students need to be able to do basic math. They need how to be able to add, subtract, multiply, divide without the use of a calculator. And as they get older, they need to know how to graph an equation without using Excel or a graphing calculator. I think these days we're so bombarded by technology that it's actually kind of nice if there's tech-free time in classes. Change of pace is good for teachers and students, so both should use both. They should use it and then also have time where they don't use it. Now, my experience with technology, in high school and college, the only technology I used was an overhead projector and a calculator. I've taken some grad courses and some teachers, actually quite a while ago, and the teachers used PowerPoint presentations and went over the slides. That put me to sleep. It was good that I was able to get the notes after class, but I think there's a big benefit in taking your own notes and also from watching a teacher figure out a problem on a board. This is my first experience where digital blackboards are used. I think they're much better than PowerPoint slides. I haven't really seen the full capabilities, but it seems to be a well thought out product. Also, I have a son in kindergarten. He has media once a week and he loves it. They give him login and passwords and he can read books, play games, and I think it's great, but only because it's a small part of what he does in school. I think the debate will always be the mix, and it will be different for subjects, teachers, grade levels, and that's how it should be.